In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pitch to customers using Freshsales. First, make sure you have leads to work with and that they're qualified. Bring leads into Freshsales using whatever sources you have available: manual ad for one-offs, a CSV import for bulk lists, web forms for inbound interest, or captured emails from your marketing. As you import, keep your fields clean and consistent so your data is easy to filter later. Once your leads are in, qualify them using the data you've collected. Filter by attributes that matter to your offer, such as industry, lead score, location, company size, or any custom fields you rely on. This helps you focus your time on people who are most likely to convert. Next, set up your outreach with sales sequences. In many accounts, you'll find sequences under conversations. Think of a sequence as your autopilot for pitching. It runs a pre-planned series of touchpoints for each lead. Create a sequence for cold outreach or for nurturing warmer leads, depending on where they are in your funnel. Within the sequence, define the flow. Start with an initial email, add a timed follow-up email, schedule a call, add a reminder for yourself, and include an SMS or another follow-up if appropriate. This structure ensures momentum without you having to track each step manually. To keep messaging consistent, use email templates. Templates save time and reduce errors, and placeholders let you personalize at scale. Insert details like first name, company, role, or a relevant field from the lead record so every message feels tailored, not generic. Before launching, preview a few leads to confirm the placeholders pull the right data and the tone fits your audience. When you reach out, track every interaction. Log emails, calls, notes, the outcome, and the next action directly in Freshsales. This gives you context at a glance and prevents double work. If you're making lots of calls or demos, consider setting up templates for notes or a lightweight call script so your message stays on point and your follow-up tasks are consistent. If a lead doesn't respond, allow the sequence to continue. The system will send the next email, remind you to call, and nudge you to follow up so nothing slips through the cracks. When a lead engages, whether by replying, booking time, or showing clear interest, convert the lead into a contact or create a deal. From there, you can move into a tailored sales process with focused next steps. That's the foundation of pitching with Freshsales: qualified leads, structured sequences, consistent messaging, thorough tracking, and disciplined follow-up that turns interest into opportunities.